Hello, beautiful soul. It's Monday, and today you have a choice. Stay in the noise of the world or return to your center and reconnect with what truly matters. This week marks the beginning of a new cycle. Knowing yourself to rebuild from within. Today, I'll share with you 3 powerful truths that show why inner work isn't optional. It's essential. But first, take a moment, breathe, and write in the comment section. I choose to nurture my inner life because it supports my outer world. Not for me, for you. To remember it, to anchor it, write it, declare it, integrate it. You planting a seed. Inner healing begins the moment you realize you've been living in a house whose walls, colors, and windows you never chose. It starts when life knocks you down. Grief, separation, burnout, disappointment, a broken dream, or just exhaustion of living a life that no longer feels like yours. It begins when you finally say, enough. Enough of pretending. Enough of wearing masks and carrying expectations that suffocate who you really are. Enough of chasing a void only you can feel. Inner work starts the moment you realize life doesn't define me. I get to choose who I want to be. And that your outer world is a mirror of your inner one. Let me tell you about Céline. She had it all. A good job, a tidy home, 2 kids, a loving husband. Then one day, a single phone call from her manager, a middle criticism, and she broke down completely. But the real break hadn't started that day. It had been building for years. Years of carrying everything, smiling through the pain, silencing her deepest needs. She told me, I'm afraid to look inside because I feel like I'll fall apart. So she kept smiling, but inside she felt empty. And sadly, she's not alone. We all need inner healing because life invites us to it. Because sooner or later, what we thought was solid starts to crack. Inner healing is for those who gave everything until they lost themselves. Those who carried so much they can no longer feel their own strength. Those searching for peace, meaning, and truth. But here's the thing. The cracks let the light in. They show us what must be healed. Yes, you can change cities, jobs, relationships. But if nothing changes inside, you'll find yourself back in the same patterns, the same emptiness. In a world full of noise, it's easy to lose your own voice. And when you can't hear yourself anymore, you lose direction. You survive instead of truly living. Inner work is your 0 point. The blank canvas, where you get to rebuild, free from the world's lies. It's your foundation, your sacred ground, and silence is the first step. A young man I once coached told me, one morning I looked in the mirror and I didn't recognize the person looking back. I had the house, the career, the friends, but where was I? Maybe you hear that same small voice inside. And me? What about me? Rebuilding is not destruction. Rebuilding doesn't mean destroying everything. It's like a musician finding his melody again. A gardener clearing the weeds to rediscover a forgotten flower. A sculptor unveiling the statue within the stone. Turn off the noise. Turn on your presence. Because deep down, you already know what makes you feel alive, what is waiting to bloom again, what needs healing. Let me share these 3 key truths for inner work with you. Truth number 1. Nothing lasts without deep roots, and you know it. You can rebuild a beautiful life on the outside, but if your inner foundation is weak, the slightest wind will shake you. Inner work is what grounds you. It supports what others don't see. Your stability, your confidence, your energy. Truth number 2. What you refuse to face in yourself will eventually control you. Yes, unhealed wounds become your reactions. Unacknowledged fears become your decisions. Repressed emotion become physical tension. Until you face what lives inside you, you live based on what you're avoiding. what you avoid in yourself ends up driving your life. Inner work puts you back in control. Truth number 3. What you seeking outside begins within. Love, peace, respect, balance. You can chase them, beg for them, demand them. But if you don't give them to yourself first, nothing outside will ever be enough. Everything starts within, even what you expect from others. Inner work is a radical act of self-love. It says, I matter. My inner world deserves care. And that's why it all starts within, with what can't be seen, but sustains everything. Your peace, your clarity, your energy, your freedom. So this morning, give yourself this gift. Close your eyes. Breathe deeply and ask yourself, what am I still carrying that I could lay down today? Or what part of me have I stopped listening to that still whispers every day? Before rushing into your week, subscribe to the channel. Every Monday, we awaken your inner strength. Like this video if you're choosing to care for your inner world. Share it with someone who's going through a tough time or needs to reconnect with themselves. And you, my friend, what's the first small step you'll take this week to nourish your inner life? Tell me in the comments. I always read them. And remember, a broken tree can bloom again. A cracked wall can be repaired. A tired heart can love again. Inner healing starts now. It starts with you. Rise up, builder. Inner healing starts now. It starts with you. Rise up, builder. Your life is waiting. Your life is waiting. Your life is waiting. And it starts now.